And yes, here we are. We are now at the hotel, so I'm gonna be showing you guys just a little snippet, not much. So we are going inside of the bathroom. Inside the bathroom, and we never. It's not a 5-star hotel, so it's just a regular hotel where you can rest, you can go take a swim in the pool, and you can go downstairs in the lobby and get something to eat. So that's the shower area. One thing I see them do is lock up the soap and the shampoo and put it under lock and key. The people are really slick. Towel neatly fold. And them say them got extra. So if you want extra soap, I guess, extra towel, you just call them up. It's very simple, very clean. I give you some extra towel under here, so blow dryer. Not much, but you know, just a basic necessities. Yeah, so this is the bedroom, guys. Nice, clean, big, comfortable bed. Yes. And of course, we have breakfast here downstairs. And we also have a pool downstairs. Price affordable. Couldn't ask nothing more. No want enough. Yep. So we're on our way home. We're leaving the hotel and we're heading back to the airport. And we'll be catching our flight back to New York in the cold. It's raining outside, you know, but it's still warm here, very good weather. Yes, guys, so we reached at the airport and we already dropped off the car to the car rental place. And we're gonna head back to the air train. So the air train will be taking us to the airport. I mean, we're in at the airport. So it's an air train I go take us back to the flight, take us closer to where we can get on our flight. Yeah, guys, so we this the only thing missing is some jerk chicken at some festival, you know, and a cold red stripe. If all Jamaica know what I mean, I just that missing at the flight, yeah. Cause right now I'm hungry and me tired. Steve all asleep, not sleep. Come here, video film. Let me give a guy a prep outside. See? So reach so we can see all the boats, so that means we are touchdown, we take time to come down. That's a ship right there. And okay, see? So reach. So touchdown upon land. So as far as the house, you know, so we so reach and we are go down. We're going down to the land. But if you're far, it don't make sense. I wonder then better you go for one of your day off. And then you take an extra day. Right, so we could do one day. One day I have to fly alone. So we could do 2 days. And I'll come back. Whew. Nearly dropped. Yeah, I could do that. But LA probably expensive, huh? So we walk through the airport. I hope I'm not catch nobody when I forget. Okay.
So when we city in London, we are go already, the one. And we soon start.
LHR?
Yeah, we soon go the one there. LG the one.
Okay.
I think the one in Heathrow.
Oh.
We go to the one there.
Oh, the one, the LW something. Oh, them have all Uncle Ben clock. You know, see Uncle Ben clock. To the Mango London. Oh, that's cool. So when they want up to London, we sure can go. We're going to walk through now. We're going to look for the car. We're going to look over park. We're going to walk through. We're going to look over park. Oh, maybe.
One seat to the right and in between the pilot.
Okay. I don't know, look from here. That's for the belt loader, them look at the belt loader, them over there. So. Yeah. We're going for the escort. Wait for the elevator. Public buses. Guys, I love New York. Yes, I love New York. Steve, you love New York? Of course I love New York. I love New York. Yes, I love New York, guys. And I'm back home after a nice visit to Orlando. There's no place like home. My second home, because everybody knows Jamaica my home. It's my second home. So we still a walk through the airport. The car park everywhere around. Oh. And we can't see the pandemic. What do they call this? No, what do they call it? Bell carrier into the air walk. Woo! There's this when I step off of that come like nearly drop me. That's how I feel. So that's a hotel across there. So one plane are coming. Zip line, the longest and tallest zip line in North America. Woo, it's still gone. Air train. This is an air train. Yeah, but you can't see it coming like it blend in with the building, you see? Oh, see it gone there. Oh.
Somebody drive this, a computer, or somebody doing the next building, a driver.
Yeah. So the one you wear it, guys. Oh. We're in the air train now and we're headed for the car park. And we're headed for the car park. It was a good trip. No joke. It was a really good trip. Oh, good. A terminal, what line we are going? Terminal 1?
We are arriving at terminal.
So yeah guys, so if you travel from the airport and you're coming to New York and you don't have the money or to take the taxi, you can always take the air train, which is free from the airport. It shuttle you to the bus stop or to the train stop, and you can just take a train into the city, which costs a lot more but a lot less, sorry. But of course you would have to have your Metro card, so that's the next thing, or you pay in coins. So the fare is about $2.75 on the train or on the bus, whichever you're taking. And of course you can get transferred to the city. So if you don't have the taxi fare, don't worry.